Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share my 12 indispensable and convenient items when traveling. I truly believe in packing smarter, not more, and only bringing what you'll actually use, instead of overstuffing your suitcase with random things that end up untouched. We've all been there, right? After years of traveling, I've fine-tuned exactly what I need, the essentials that I rely on every single trip. So, let's dive right into my all-star packing list, whether I'm away for 3 days or over a month. My first must-have for any trip is an oversized cardigan. It's one of those pieces that's always super useful, especially on travel days when the temperature keeps changing. I love a cozy oversized cardigan because it's not just comfortable, it's practical too. You can roll it up to use as a pillow if you're in a pinch, or even spread it out to act as a blanket on a chilly flight. I've had this one for about 6 years now, and it's a timeless staple that never goes out of style. What makes it a favorite is its versatility. Whether I'm layering up for warmth or just need something comfy to throw on, it always works. This specific cardigan is usually the first thing I pack for any trip. Another option for quick dry clothing is essential and incredibly convenient for any travel adventure. These garments, made from lightweight and breathable materials, allow you to wash and reuse them multiple times during your trip without needing to pack excessive items. This not only saves space in your luggage, but also gives you the flexibility to freshen up your wardrobe on the go. Whether you find yourself in a sudden rain shower or need to wash an outfit after a day of exploring, quick dry clothing ensures you're always prepared. Plus, they often dry within hours, making them perfect for those spontaneous adventures where laundry facilities may not be readily available. Next up, I want to talk about something I'm totally obsessed with: little pouches. If you've seen my packing videos before, you know they are my go-to travel essential. I use these pouches for items I need easy access to while keeping everything organized. For instance, one holds my makeup, while another is filled with daily essentials like hand cream and a nail file, basically the contents of my purse. I even have one for my electronic cords. These pouches are a lifesaver for maintaining order in my bag. When I need something, I can simply grab the pouch, get what I need, and easily tuck it back away. This way, I avoid a jumble of loose items scattered throughout my backpack. The best part is that I always keep these bags packed, so my makeup is ready to go whenever I am. Just zip it up and toss it in my bag. Additionally, I want to give a quick shout-out to cotton produce bags. They're perfect for grouping larger items, like undergarments or dirty laundry when traveling. I even use them for packing my shoes to keep their dirty soles from touching my other belongings in the suitcase. The next essential and convenient travel item is the TSA Liquids Bag, which offers numerous practical benefits for travelers. Firstly, it helps organize and neatly arrange liquid products like perfumes, moisturizers, or shampoos, preventing clutter in your luggage. Secondly, this bag is typically made from durable materials and features a secure closure, helping to prevent leaks and protect your belongings from unwanted spills. Additionally, the TSA Liquids Bag meets size requirements, making it easy for passengers to pass through security without any hassle. By using this bag, you can save time during the security screening process, as everything is already neatly packed and ready to go. Overall, the TSA Liquids Bag is a must-have for any traveler looking to simplify their journey. Now, let's discuss sleep, because many of us struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep when we're not in our own beds. A must-have travel item for me is a cotton eye mask. No matter where I'm going, this always comes along. You never know what the sleeping conditions will be like at your destination, especially on travel days. This small item can add a touch of consistency to your sleep routine. My favorite is this cotton mask. Cotton is breathable and gentle on the skin. It won't cause breakouts, and the soft fabric helps create a cozy, dark environment for better sleep. Next, bringing a personal pillowcase while traveling is a small but incredibly effective tip to help you feel more comfortable when sleeping in unfamiliar places. A pillowcase is not only lightweight and compact, but it can also be easily tucked into your luggage without taking up much space. With your own pillowcase, you can maintain a sense of familiarity, making it easier to get a good night's sleep. Whether on a plane, in a hotel, or while camping, a soft pillowcase can make a significant difference in your travel experience. Be sure to choose a material that is soft and easy to wash to ensure cleanliness and comfort. Another travel must-have for me is a compact travel-size razor. I personally use the chic travel version, and it has served me well for years. One of the things I love most about it is how compact and easy it is to carry. The razor heads can be easily swapped out, which is super convenient, so you don't need to carry extra razors. But what really sets it apart is the protective case it comes with. The case is designed with small air vents right where the blade sits, allowing it to air dry even when packed away in your luggage. This means you don't have to worry about rust or mold forming, which is a huge plus when you're constantly on the move. Another benefit of the case is that it prevents the razor from snagging on your clothes or other items in your bag. It's one of those small essentials that may seem minor, but actually makes a huge difference when you're traveling frequently. All right, ladies, this next item is just for us. One of the most practical travel essentials I own is my menstrual cup. I use it all the time, but it's especially handy when I'm traveling. Whenever I know my period will hit while I'm away, or if the timing is close, I always bring it along. The best part is that it eliminates the need to pack a whole bunch of pads or tampons. There's nothing worse than trying to guess how many you'll need for a trip and then ending up short. My menstrual cup takes away that worry, and it occupies much less space in my bag, which is fantastic for packing. What I love most is how it significantly improves your period experience while traveling. You don't have to change it as frequently, and it's leak-proof, which is super important since you can't always count on having easy access to a bathroom when you're on the go. This little gem is truly a lifesaver for your period. I can't recommend it enough. I've even encouraged several friends to switch to it because I genuinely believe it's that effective. When traveling, a pair of comfortable white sneakers is an essential item in your luggage, especially when you need to walk a lot or participate in outdoor activities. Sneakers will provide comfort and confidence. White sneakers are incredibly versatile, easily pairing with various outfits, from jeans to dresses, giving you a youthful and active look. They are not only durable, but also lightweight, allowing you to move freely without worrying about sore feet. Moreover, white sneakers are typically easy to maintain. A quick wipe down after each trip keeps them looking fresh. With their simple and stylish design, these shoes are the perfect travel companion for all your adventures. Make sure to add them to your packing list for your next journey. A travel essential for me is my AirPods. They're perfect for working or relaxing on the go, especially on travel days. I have the regular AirPods, which are great. But if you want to enhance your travel experience, I highly recommend the noise-canceling ones. I've heard great things about them, and they're next on my shopping list. I also recently found a handy accessory for AirPods that I want to get for my next flight. Since many airlines still require you to use a headphone jack for in-flight entertainment, it can be a bit inconvenient. Thankfully, there's a small adapter that lets you connect your Bluetooth headphones, giving you much better sound quality than the standard headphones they offer. This way, you can enjoy your own headphones while still using the in-flight entertainment system. How great is that? A passport holder is an essential travel accessory that ensures your important documents are safe and easily accessible. A compact passport holder keeps your passport and crucial paperwork organized, alleviating any stress while you're on the move. Opt for a design with multiple compartments to neatly store additional items like cards and cash, so everything is in one convenient place. This way, you can quickly find what you need without rummaging through your bag. With a passport holder, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing that your important documents are secure and organized for your journey. I'm going to bring my suitcase, which really removes my need for a lot of the features of the travel backpack. So instead, for those times, I like to bring my trusty ISM bag with me. What I like about this one is it looks really sleek, so it's great for traveling. It's also super comfortable to wear. It's just really well designed. Again, you've got your laptop sleeve and just one big main compartment. It has a little internal zipper here, a couple of pouches inside, and everything is just so nice, so high quality. This is one of the bags that was definitely an investment, but I've owned it for 5 years now, and it's still going strong. Oh, and the last feature is just one little pouch at the front, so it's another great option. It's a bit smaller, and I find that it just better meets my needs when I'm also bringing a suitcase. Those are my travel essentials, with things that help me to pack less but better. Now I would love to know, what are your travel all-stars and things that you never go without? I would love to hear about them, so be sure to let me know what those are in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one, friends. Bye.